Hey, what's up, Pancakeswap holder? This is very important and very urgent because this is the last days of this month and very important for short-time investor and absolutely for long-time investor. Let's start a brand video, but kindly, my friend, please, if you are new my channel, so kindly subscribe this channel and also press the bell icon for videos notification because this channel is update you, guide you every day, every time. My brother, first of all, the update is very important. So the update is on the screen. You can see here USD price, my friend. You can see here 15.06 USD dollar is the latest price of Pancakeswap, and market rank, as you can see, my brother, 39. And you can see, my brother, this time the change occur in price 1 hour, last 1 day, last 7 days, all change occurring will be positive now. And congratulations, my brothers, to the coin is go in the profit. Definitely at the end of month every coin will move upward, so like that, absolutely this is very good news, my brother, for all of you, because they will move upward now. And definitely, my friend, if you have any plan to invest more, so I expect very good, my friend. My expectation is very good for Pancakeswap holder, so I think this is very good coin, my brother, for investing now. Invest now and get a very good profit, my brother. Definitely they will make you millionaire if you hold. And my opinion, my brother, my opinion is to please hold. For holders, my opinion, please hold, don't sell it, wait for a good time. Just in only 2 or 3 days you need to wait and then sell it. I hope, my brother, they will make you millionaire, they will give you a profit. Definitely at the end of month every holders, my friends, especially short-term investor, they are starting selling. So therefore, my brother, the fails very badly, fails down. So if you are a long-time investor, then don't see, my friend, the short dump, short pump, because, my brother, if you invest for a long time, so I hope after a long time they will make you millionaire, they will give you a very good profit now. Thanks for watching, Pancakeswap holder. Hope you understand something new in this video. Please like this video and subscribe this channel for more this type of informative videos. Allah Hafiz, take care.